Boeing on Wednesday unveiled new fixes to the MCAS software system for its 737 MAX series jet, following new scrutiny and investigations into what caused two MAX 8s to crash in less than 6 months, killing a total of 346 people. Catch up quick. The Maneuvering Characteristics Augmentation System (MCAS) is an automated system Boeing installed to prevent the aircraft from stalling, losing lift by pushing the plane's nose down in particular circumstances. A malfunction with this system, where it appeared to activate based on faulty readings from a flight sensor, is the suspected cause of both crashes.